Hi guys, today I've got OPPO A15s and I want to show you how to reset app preferences. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and pick additional settings. Now locate and open backup and reset, and here you will notice erase all data. So just click here and then select erase downloaded apps and their data. To perform this action, you will have to provide your screen lock password, tap on erase data, click on it one more time, and just wait a couple of seconds, maybe 1 minute, till it's done. And now you can set up your phone. So let me just pick the language along with the region. Pick some Wi-Fi to connect. You can also skip it for now. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you can smoothly use your OPPO. All the app setup, as you can see, have been removed. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.